High flow rates. Designed to provide exceptional flow rates and a consistent flow of oil to your engine. Versatile compatibility. Designed to operate with all synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils. Protect your engine. Pleated synthetic blend filtration media removes most harmful contaminants. Extensively tested. Laboratory tested to ensure excellent capacity and burst strength. Easy to remove. Fast and easy wrench-off removal. Heavy-duty construction. Heavy-duty canister for outstanding durability. No hassle warranty. 1-year limited warranty. High capacity. Withstand the longer service intervals now recommended by some vehicle manufacturers. Fit type. Vehicle specific. KN premium oil filters are meticulously engineered to offer outstanding filtration and engine protection. The heavy-duty canister is engineered to be exceptionally durable, and a 1-inch welded hex nut can be used for quick and easy filter removal. Each filter is specifically designed to withstand the service intervals recommended by vehicle manufacturers, and is protected by the KN 1-year limited warranty. Vehcile Fitment. 2012 to 2018 Hyundai Azera, 2010 to 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe, 2013 to 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe XL, 2011 to 2018 KIA Sedona, 2011 to 2018 KIA Sorento, 2014 to 2016 KIA Cadenza, 2010 to 2016 KIA K7. Top reviews from the United States. Works fits. Fit both 2013 and 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe with 3.3L engine. Really like the fact that this filter comes with crush washer for drain plug. First time I've every HSD1 included with the filter, usually separate item. Easy install. Now we see how stand up over the period of time until next oil change. If they perform well, we'll definitely purchase again.